We sell over 1 million screws a day, easily.
So I'm here today to come and have a look at ScrewShop.co.uk. So let's go meet the guys and have a look inside.
Hello,
Matt. You all right?
See you. Yeah.
Okay, let's go and have a look.
Yeah, so basically, I'll just give you a quick run around of what we've got.
That's great.
Obviously, the screw part of it is our biggest part of the business. You know some of the brands there. But you've got your kind of builders, metalwork.
Yeah.
And you've got your plasterboard beading and mesh and all that kind of thing.
Okay.
So these are all our yellow Rhino screws. So these are our biggest sellers, the normal yellow screws. You've got your small size right up to your 6x240.
Got you?
Yeah, 6x240 screws. So we go right up to that.
Yeah.
In different products, we go like 8 and 10 millimeter as well.
Got you?
So they're the Rhino ones. Over here, you've got your kind of twin threaded, zinc plated screws. There's a couple of other pallets of things knocking around.
Yeah.
So you have to excuse the mess this morning, but we kind of
busy.
it's a busy working environment,
exactly.
really. Yeah. So our main products, you know, we're our TurboQwik and our Rhino screws. So we do send out samples of the products.
Yeah.
There's little sample bags in here with a catalogue and things, so people want to try them.
Yeah.
And also,
Where did they get these sample packs from then?
Yeah, so basically there's two pages. There's a page on our website where you can add it to your basket, or there's another page where you can just fill in your details and you can tip samples and brochure. So there's on the website, whether or not you guys can put a link up to this, we'll see. But it's quite easy. And then you've got assorted screws, so you've got our Rhino assorted screws, the yellow ones we've just looked at. They come in like assortment. So we sell these, can't remember how much they are, they're kind of 25, 30 quid. A lot of, you can feel the weight of those already. Same with the TurboQwik Posse, which is that premium screw. I'm sure you'll do lots more talking about that in the future. And also the Cork's Head, which is kind of becoming more popular as we go along. Let's face it this way, we'll go here. Rhino brand. The concrete frame screws, window trade, amongst others.
I've used them before.
They are really good. So they start at 40 mil, I think, and go right up to 200, 202. It's a TurboQwik screw, which is our premium kind of product with all the bells and whistles on it. And then you've got the normal Posse heads, which is in the blue box.
Got you.
So they're two TurboQwik products. But these are huge sellers. Particularly if you want a nice finish with carpentry or quick insertion or the rest of it. Below here you've got your Rhino drywall screws, which is that. Decking screws, which are the green box. So you've got your blue box yellow screw, grey box, which is the drywall screw, the green box, which is decking screw, then you've got your orange box, which is the concrete frame screw. We sell over 1 million screws a day, easily. Reese, come say hello. This is Reese.
Oh yeah, you're all right.
Reese is one of our Reese is one of our packers. He works really hard all day long with Shelley, which she's disappeared now. I think she's seen the camera. But Reese does his own videos as well. These boxes here will go on a pallet. You've got a pallet behind you. That's one pallet already this morning going out to DPD or Parcel Force. And you're soon on to your second one, and
maybe third as well.
We get through a lot of parcels a day. We're a busy company, people like us.
Pays you well.
That's it.
Need a new t-shirt, you. Got a little, we call it a tray counter, but it's a little picking area here. So you've got, before you get to that, you've got your screw cases we sell a lot of. TurboQwik. So you've got like 600 assorted screws. Really competitively priced, a nice quality tub. We do quite a few assortments, and I think I mentioned the assortment boxes over there. Well, I did, didn't I? Sorry. In here you've got decking products, normal decking screws and composite decking. You've got your hexagon landscape screws, sleepers for sleepers, a lot of outdoor stuff. That's a hexagon. We've got some wave heads behind. Lots and lots of different products. We do a similar thing in black actually now as well. Power tool accessories. You've got your driver bits. I'm getting out of breath here. You got a lot of there is. You've got your driver bits, your drills, lots of tapes, padlocks.
You've got it all computerised.
Do you want a quick look upstairs?
Yeah, why not? Yeah.
Yeah, so you've got collated, we sell lots and lots of collated nails, first and second fix, pas load, as well as other normal brands. Collated drywall screws, collated.
So when you say collated, you mean they're on like a strip, aren't they?
They're on a strip.
Yeah.
A lot of people do use these.
For like a
proper gun. Yeah. So the drywall screws are probably the most popular, but we also do a lot of decking screws and a lot of normal yellow chipboard screws in that style as well. Door handles.
Wow. There's quite a range at Ironmongery as well.
Yeah, there's a silicone, foams, sealants, adhesives, Sodal, Bondit, OB1, CT1. Everybody talk about foams, windows, you name it really. You know, because it's all competitively priced and whatever. PPE, gloves, including hats and ear defenders and that kind of thing. Nails, we sell bulk nails in 25 kilo and half kilo bags, which is what these are. Yes, nails is one of those things that's been going forever, hasn't it?
Yeah, I think screws is like replace nails in a way, and
that absolutely has.
I know there's still nails, but
it's the same with adhesives and things now.
That's right.
Some people prefer an adhesive, but you can't beat. I mean, that's what you do all the time, isn't it?
Yeah,
screw things together.
That's
You're never going to get a better fix than that.
Back in the old days, you nail everything together, wouldn't you?
We got some tools as well. Saws, chisels, pliers, that kind of thing.
Yeah. Proper one-stop shop.
Should we go next door? Your viewers might be getting bored now, but quite enjoying myself, so we'll keep going. Yeah,
you keep going.
Yeah, so this is our other unit. We've got two main units here. This is more of a packing division. We've got some girls at the top doing some kitting. We've got a kitting machine there that I'll show you quickly.
I think we can hear you.
And we've got other space where we store all of our pallets really, and we bring them in as and like a Kanban system almost. We're like getting rid of the pallets and refilling it. So as you can see, people are really busy here, having a good chin wag. Morning. So these are bags of 14, I think. So obviously we can fit anything there.
Does it do that by weight, that?
It weighs and counts. So it weighs like, say, 12, and then it counts the last two in. It's really clever, actually. So we have had about a year now. It's brilliant, absolutely brilliant.
Amazing.
Products are really good.
Yeah.
Then spikes. And the bolt down shoes. Yeah, so that'll go on concrete. So this will probably go into kind of soil or whatever. Lots of stuff around, lots of nails, brass. Plates and screws. We've probably got, and I'll be confident to say we've got the biggest range of screws in the UK. That could be brass, slotted, posi, chrome plated, bronze, mirror screws. Obviously, we sell more of the yellow that we've just had a quick look at earlier. Got a compacting, hand packing division where these girls work really hard. Working hard, Terry.
Always.
Upstairs here, we were painting and decorating stuff up there. Stainless steel screws. I kind of forgot what we do now. But we've got some World Cup charts that we're giving away at the moment with every order. We're folding those up and whatever else.
The football adding.
That's a special black screw that's been coated for somebody.
Yeah, I've had trouble getting those before. The black coat.
Yes,
screws.
you do. You do.
You know, for coat ups and things when they black, and of course you don't want to put silver.
You want to match you up.
I can't believe how many products there is.
No, a lot. It's good.
Okay, mate.
Really good to meet you.
You too.
Look after yourself. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
So that's ScrewShop.co.uk. Lovely to meet Matt and the team. If you haven't been on before, go and have a look. ScrewShop.co.uk, your one-stop shop for screws and fixings. And I'll see you lot on the next one.